guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys and try on haul from the brand Wiskii Active. I am always on the hunt for cute workout sets because I do Pilates, yoga, a lot of stretching, jump rope, and I found this brand on Instagram and they have a lot of really cute sets. So I thought I would get a bunch of pieces to show you guys and try on. So this is what it came in. There's 2 boxes. I think I got like 6 pieces. So I will show you guys exactly what they look like. They come packaged like this in these individual bags. I guess we'll just open up the first one and see. Okay, so this is the first item. This is called the Bergamoto Sports Bra. And I also got it in a matching legging too, so let me pull that out. Here's the matching one. The color is called Almond Butter, and it's in this really nice like taupey brown and then black. So it's like color blocking. On the back it says Wiskii logo. I love the matching set just because it's so easy just to like throw on, just like put it on and you're ready to go. And this is actually really nice because whenever you have like a color blocking like legging or like pants, it's very flattering. So like this type of design will definitely like make you look a little slimmer if that's what you're going for. But I'm excited to try this on and see how this looks. So on their site, they have like a seamless collection that's really cute. So I got 3 pieces from that collection in this like grayish, like icy blue color, I guess I would say. But they have really unique cuts. So this is like a long sleeve crop top, but it's like open back in the back, which is really cute. And it has built-in padding, which you can remove as well. But I got this one and then the matching legging. Here's the matching legging. It's in this like seamless design and it has a lot of different like ribbing detail all throughout to kind of make it more flattering on the body. On the back too, it has like design to kind of like give your butt a little lift. I really like this color. I love like the neutral colors. And then I also got another matching top. This is like a long sleeve, but it's a 2-piece that's actually attached. So it's like a sports bra and a top, like all in one. So I think this would be really cute. So I got 2 different tops to try on with this matching pant and kind of like interchange it. So I'll try those on in a minute. And then I also got, oh, this one's really cute. I got a little tennis skirt in this like baby blue color. That's so cute. I don't actually play tennis, but I would wear this if I did. Maybe I'd wear this if I went golfing or something, Ooh, bar class, yeah. This is actually a skirt, so it has shorts built in, so that's really nice. This one is called the Kono long sleeve crop top. It's actually really, really soft. It also has built-in padding, and then it has a cute little like cutout detail here, and then also on the back. So I got this one to match with this and make it a little set. I feel like I'd wear this with like high socks and sneakers and make it like cute. And I honestly don't have anything like this in my closet. Like I don't really wear like a lot of skirts, but when I saw this and I saw the color, I just like had to get it. Baby blue is actually like one of my favorite colors right now, so this is gonna be such a cute outfit when I try it on. The pricing on all these items are actually really affordable. The top and the bottoms are about like $60 each, which is pretty great because traditionally like workout clothes are actually really expensive, and most of the time it's like $100, like $30 for like just the leggings sometimes. So the pricing on this is really great and the quality feels good. Like it feels very soft, buttery, very stretchy and comfortable. So I'm hoping that they look good on and they are comfortable when I work out. I almost missed this one, but I got a ivory, oh this is cute. I got an ivory bra top and it has like a cutout like up detail on the back. And this one I could wear with honestly any of the bottoms that I got. I thought this would be cute with the little skirt and also the seamless legging. I could mix and match that as well. I feel like having just a white basic workout sports bra is just essential in your wardrobe, and I feel like it just goes with everything, so it's good to have. And I think this is the only piece that actually doesn't have a set. That's fine. Okay, so let's try them on and see how they fit.